Hey guys, this is a fun one. It says we have two equilateral triangles and it wants to know what is this angle. It's one of these puzzles created by Catriona Agg, and it's my goal this year to try to solve all of these. If you want to try this on your own, pause it right now because I'm going to solve it in 3, 2, 1. To solve this, I'm going to use some of the inscribed angle theorems. The first one says if you have a circle and a chord on that circle, you have two angles that both subtend that chord. Those two angles will have the same measure. They'll be congruent with each other. And this is always true no matter where the angle is on the circle. And the converse is also true. If you have two congruent angles that subtend the same segment, they are two inscribed angles in the same circle. Both of these will always be true. So now let's look at our figure. Since these are equilateral triangles, we know that all the angles within the triangles are 60 degrees. I'm specifically interested in these two angles. And next, let's connect the segment from here to here. This angle subtends that segment, and this angle subtends that segment. Both of these angles subtend the same segment. So we're going to use this theorem, and we can color this top one red and the bottom one blue so it looks just like our notes. So these two angles are inscribed angles for this circle. How cool is that? Next, let's focus on this equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, the median is the same thing as the perpendicular bisector. So we know that this will be at right angles. And since this one is 60 and this one is 90, that means this angle right here is going to be 30. Now let's bring back our original figure. Note this chord of the circle right here. Let me color it green. This is a very important chord. Both of these angles subtend this chord. So using this theorem, we know that these two angles are congruent. And that means that the question mark is equal to 30 degrees. That is the answer to our question. Let's put a box around it. How exciting.